ever found. This piece of bait, plundered by pirates from a Spanish galleon, is one of the few left of Marx's excavation.
Kiss him.
It's kept in a
Go
vault
kiss her.
because most of the other
Kiss her.
have since disappeared or presumed stolen, really proof of their irresistible allure. It also provided the irrefutable proof the Jamaican government required to halt the planned dredging of the harbor. Because of Marx's work, the sunken city would not be disturbed, but rather discovered anew by future underwater explorers. Every underwater expedition to the sunken city of Port Royal has been distinctive. Edwin Lake's 1959 exploration was the first and raised tantalizing possibilities for those who followed. The dig conducted by Bob Marks in the 1960s was the largest, yielding the greatest quantity of artifacts. In 1981, the longest and most detailed study of Port Royal began when the Jamaican government invited the Institute of Nautical Archaeology at Texas A&M to excavate. Donnie Hamilton led the expedition.
Originally I said, okay, I will go 1 year and see what the conditions are like. So we went out there, we found that we could conduct controlled excavations, we could take photographs, we could take underwater video, we could find artifacts. So what started to be a 1-year trial excavation turned out to be 10 years in Jamaica. From that first year, we saw that there wasn't another site like it, probably in the world, comparable to the one you find in Port Royal. Anybody who's interested in 17th century English archaeology, that's the site to excavate.
Unlike Bob Marks, whose site was predetermined by proposed harbor dredging, Hamilton could choose where he wanted to excavate. After consulting period maps